Hello, this is Angela, and this is my messy craft room coming in the door. You can see it's been moved around a bit. That does not belong there. That does not belong there. Those don't belong there. Those are going on the wall. And Mr. Cow is going on the wall. I got that from Kathy. Thank you, Kathy. Oh, and I got that one from Kathy, too. So, this is my room. I've moved some of that around. This shelf, I might make you dizzy, I'm sorry. This shelf here was going over there. So I'm going to tell you what I was going to do with all of that right there is going over here. And those are going to go over there, along with those that I pointed to in the beginning. So I'm not going to give you a big video tour. Those are some dolls I made. They are puppetry dolls, and they are ATC. They have ATC cards with them that go with what's in their hands. So you can see I have a lot of stuff, but it's just super all over the place and disorganized. I don't have like right now. That's my little sewing machine over there that I use when I am with you guys, and my big sewing machine's there, and it's going to move down to where that box is. These boxes under this table, hang on, I'll try and move slow. These are the ones I get into all the time when I'm, say, getting in a drawer behind me and I'm getting my eyelets and stuff. That's these. But these boxes are going to go over there on top of the other ones. And then I'm going to utilize these shelves for books I've made, not ones that I'm selling, but it's going to be paper products like envelopes and stuff that I have in boxes like this. This little container here is when I'm done with it, it goes someplace else. So I toss things in there. If I find little beads and stuff, they go in the cups. And then when I have a day I'm not doing anything, those get organized into the little bead boxes. Oh, Tammy, I hope you're watching, because there's my mandala. I have to show it to you because I got tired of, hang on, I gotta move it the right direction. Okay, I got tired of making the dots, so I put down there in with stickers, break free, and then I let the mandala go. I hope that's okay. So anyway, up here, these are all my paintings. There's one of my great aunt's paintings up there too. But you can see, been organizing. Now that top shelf had all kinds of glues and stuff on it from a painting that I used to do from paint pouring. And what happened yesterday was I scooted one of the big jugs over and it split on the bottom. So I grabbed it, plugged up the holes, and went as fast as I could with my gimpy body right now through the house saying, open the door, open the door. And so my husband ran and opened the garage doors and out to the garbage can we went. But I said, you better get a garbage sack. This thing is splitting wide open. And so the ironing board does not hang there. I get into those shelves a lot. And I'll show them to you after I organize the room. But, oh, let me show you. This is my paper stash. And those boxes are stashed full. Those are more like the collector papers that we really like to get, like Stamperia and those. I'm just going to have to stop doing that. It's just not going to be allowed. I'm just not going to look. So, anyway, because I fall in love with them and I am a paper hoarder. I always have been. And so there's a piece of art I did. But those drawers there, the one stack furthest, there is all ribbon and trims and lace. The top two here are stickers that I am destashing as I can. And down below, the bottom three, 1, 2, oh, I guess it's 2, are all punches. And I'm going to be destashing a whole bunch of those. Is it 2 or 3? It's 3 drawers. One's behind the cow. Cow's blocking everything. But anyway, those are going to be seriously destashed. And I'm probably going to destash some ribbons and trims too. Haven't decided. The next box over is all sewing supplies. And it will get organized because I do some sewing, but not a lot. And there's my bears. I have little tiny bears and other bears that have been collected. Those are going to go somewhere else. So I can put journals up there. And my window is falling apart. You can see where it's hanging right below, above the TV there. One of my limbs broke on the pussy willows that my aunt gave me. And I turned them into this thing above my curtain. And I hang stuff from all over it. But one of my limbs broke. So it's a painting I did. And that is my desk. Now, I just bought these organizers. And I'll tell you what, I absolutely love them. It has seriously, and we'll go through them later, but they are awesome. And so I put my glitter glues in there because I thought that would be a good place for them. I guess you're supposed to do them upside down. And the lipstick places, which that's what those are, fit perfect for those. So, Caryl, this is for you. This is my setup. I can tell you right now, it needs to be about a foot higher. I don't hit my head on it or anything. I have plenty of space. But I'd like to give a full view of my desk every once in a while, especially if I'm sewing. But the pole in the back, it clamps onto the table. I can't show it all to you right now, but it clamps onto the table. And what I need to do is raise it up a little bit so that it's just slightly higher. It's just too low. My other one I had was a really kind of wonky one. It had all these jaggy things in it. And you were supposed to be able to tighten them up and it would work well. But they don't hold a camera like this. they only held cell phones in a good way. So, anyway, that's what I use. And I have, where is it? Where are you? I have 2 of these. And that little one with the red on it, that comes out and I plug it into my computer and upload my videos to Photoshop Elements. And when I pull one of these out, I put the next one in, I format it to get rid of the old stuff, and then I just have 2 going all the time. These are adapters that have a huge amount of space on them. Who knew? But I can, so far I've gotten up to 12 videos on it. And you know, my videos are about an hour long. So that's 12 hours of videoing on this little thing. And so you can get a lot on them, and I just exchange them. That way I have one, because normally I would be filming several videos a day and getting way ahead. Now that's not happening lately because I just haven't been in the game with my stuff that's going on. So, but I do plan to get back to it. I am feeling well enough to get in here and fix up this mess. So let's see. Okay, I can go this way. I can pan this way. I had to read the notes over there and be sure they were appropriate from my hubby. Oops, that's Carol's address. That box up there, that Pepsi box, is packed full of things I've been making. So I got to take care of that. That stereo's coming out because I'm just, you know what? I love the CDs. I absolutely love them. But my husband got me this one. Where is it? I can't find it with all that stuff. Oh, that's because it's weird. It's in a speaker there, right there. There's 2 speakers, and then my little old-fashioned thing right there. Whatever you call this. It runs music into my speakers. Now I can't upload any new stuff to it, so that's kind of a bummer, but this little stereo gets satellite, so I can pick up, you know, I can say listen to Pink Floyd, and not say, but I just have to somehow, it's easy. You can find Pink Floyd channels on it, which I love Pink Floyd, so I love all kinds of music. But those airplanes my 3 sons made when they were little, aww, and the big helicopter my grandson made, and he wanted me to hang it up there years ago, but I couldn't get it to stay, so my husband has to help me. So anyway, you can see I have a lot going on in here. I have a lot of mess, and I have a lot to do, but I'm getting there. It looks far better than it did. And when that's my other paper stash. That is like the Walmart stashes and the Hobby Lobby and the Michaels. That's all those papers. So, and I have a bunch down there too somewhere behind that chair. So anyway, that's what's going on in here. It is a mess right now, and I will bring you back for a new video. Oh, that I've done. I have been organizing that one. Yes, I have. I need to organize the bottom 3. 1, 2, 3. 5. I need to put in order, organize the bottom 5 drawers. So anyway, that's where we're at. And that's my hallway. And up here is just stuff. All my paints. The dragonfly. I love the dragonfly. And here's this one I made at Art and Soul many, many moons ago. So anyway, that's all I have for you for now. And we will be back to do another video when it's organized. And we'll talk about what I have. Oh, yo. That's what we're going to do, alrighty. All right. Hugs to all of you. Love ya. Bye.